We're wrapping up our time here at Murchison Falls National Park in Uganda. That's the Nile River behind us. And we've had a pretty cool time here, huh?
Yeah, it's been awesome.
And we
supposed to say.
highlighted by
Sorry. I thought you were saying something else. Sorry.
No. We're wrapping up our stay here at Murchison Falls National Park in Uganda. That's the Nile River behind us. And we've had a really great time.
Yeah, it's been wonderful. We went on a couple of game drives. We saw a lot of wildlife, and we saw the tremendous Murchison Falls.
Yeah, the most powerful waterfall in the world. Here's the highlights.
But this one we're going to keep them in a box.
Yeah. Question, is it okay to pick up?
Crocodile swimming? Crocodile swimming in water. No, this is one family of hippo.
That's not what you said.
A school of hippo. They stay in water up to 5 minutes. They spend it in water. So they can cross the river. So the Nile crocodile normally feed on fish.
Yeah, I don't want to swim in that water.
And sometimes human beings. Yeah, mostly they like your color. Not mine.
So earlier we saw Murchison Falls looking from below it upriver, and now we're going to see it from the top, and this is supposed to be something really special. Look at this! Holy moly! Wow! Hey, Ruben and Jen, what do you think of this?
This is spectacular. Yeah.
They say this is the world's most powerful waterfall, and I don't doubt it. How far is it from the top down to the bottom of the
From
falls?
the top to the bottom, it's 40 meters steep.
And it's all going through a little
Yeah.
funnel that's only, what, 20 meters wide or
20
something?
meters wide.
Wow. This is one of the most impressive things I've ever seen.
Yeah. It was well worth the trip to get here.
That's right. I mean, we've seen falls at Yosemite and a lot of other places, but the power coming from this is just incredible. It's kind of smiling.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.